Hello student, welcome back. Today we are going to start Max NCERT chapter number 13 Fields and Fancies. Now let's start our chapter. Page number 149, chapter number 13 Fields and Fancies. Rahmat is a farmer. He grows wheat in his field. So like this way, in his field he grows a wheat. I need a fence around my field. How much wire should I buy? So he want to make a fence around its field. So he is asking how much wire I need to buy. So Rahmat needs to find the length of the boundary of the field. Can you find it from this picture? See the length of each sides written near it. So we have to find the length of each side and all length of the sides are given here, so we have to add it. So length of the boundary equal to, so first side length is 9 meter plus 15 meter plus 21 meter and 9 meter. 9 meter plus 15 meter plus 21 meter plus 9 meter, so we will add it. So 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 1 15, 15 plus 9 24. So 4 we will write down, 2 will be carried over. So 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5. So total length is 54 meter. So Rahmat field is 54 meter length. The boundary is 54 meters long. Rahmat bought a roll of 70-meter wire for the fence. So like this way he bought this wire for fence. Now next page, page number 150. I should also do the same for my field. Now Ganpat is saying that I also will do fence for my field. So can you give me the wire that is left with you? I will use it for my field. Now Ganpat is asking, okay, if this fence is left after fencing your field, so can you give me? Now Ramat is replying, oh sure, why not? So how much wire did Ramat give to Ganpat? So So total length of wire Rahmat brought, that is 70 meter, and his field length is 54 meter. Length of wire used by Rahmat for boundary equal to 54 meter. So how much length he will give to Ganpat? So the length of wire left out equal to 70 minus 54, that is 16 meter. How much wire he will give to Ganpat? That is 16 meter. So 70 minus 54, 16 meter. So hence Rahmat gave 16-meter wire to Ganpat. Now same page. Ganpat thanked Rahmat and started fencing his own field, but he needed to get more wire. Okay, his field is big, so he want more wire. So how long is the boundary of Ganpat's field? So we have to find out the boundary of the Ganpat field. For that, here the sides measures are given. So here the length of the boundary of Ganpat field equal to, we have to add the measures, 15 meter plus 15 meter plus 9 meter plus 18 meter plus 9 meter. So that is 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 5 19, 19 plus 9 28, 28 plus 8 36. So 6 we will write down, 3 will be carried over. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6. So total length of the Ganpat field is 66 meter. So your question, how long is the boundary of Ganpat field? That is 66 meter. Now second question, how much more wire will Ganpat need for his field? So how much more wire he want now? So we know that the length of boundaries Ganpat's field is 66 meter. If Rahmat gave 16-meter wire to Ganpat, okay, so Rahmat how much wire he gave? He gave 16-meter wire to Ganpat. So need of more length of wire equal to, total length of the field is 66 meter and 16-meter wire he took from Rahmat. So how much he want now? 66 minus 16. So 6 minus 6 0, 6 minus 1 5. So 50-meter wire he need for his field. So hence Ganpat need 50-meter more wire to boundary his field. Page number 151. Practice time number 1. Here are pictures of some more fields. Find out which one has the longest boundary. So how we will find out? We will add all the length of the sides of the figure. Okay, so number 1A. So boundary equal to dash meter. So we will add 15 meter plus 6 meter plus 15 meter plus 24 meter. So 15 plus 6 equal to 21 meter, 21 plus 15 equal to 36 meter, and 36 plus 24 equal to 60 meter. So our answer is 60 meter. Now number 2 figure. Boundary equal to dash meter, we will add 9 meter plus 6 meter plus 3 meter plus 6 meter plus 6 meter plus 12 meter. So 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. 24 plus 6, 30. 30 plus 12, 42. So our answer is 42 meter. Now see, so triangle shape figure is given. So we have to add all. So we will add 9 meter, 12 meter and 15 meter. So 9 plus 12, 21. 21 plus 15, that is 36 meter. Now D. So we will add 15 meter, 15 meter plus 9 meter plus 15 meter plus 15 meter plus 9 meter. So 15 meter plus 15 meter, that is 30 meter. 30 plus 9, 39. 39 plus 15, 54 meter. 54 plus 15, 69. And 69 plus 9, that is 78 meter. So now which one has the longest boundary? So therefore field D has the longest boundary. Now next page, page number 152, number 2. Chandu's father is called the young old man in his village. At 70 years of age, he is fully fit. Do you know his secret? He goes for a walk around the field every morning. Every day he takes 4 rounds of Chandu's field. Okay, this is a Chandu's field. His father take daily 4 round around this field. So what is the total distance he covers? So how much distance he covers daily? So first we will find out the boundary of the figure. We know that the boundary of the field equal to 150 meter plus 100 meter plus 150 meter plus 100 meter. 150 plus 100, 250. 250 plus 100, that is 400. 400 plus 100, 500 meters. So total boundary of the Chandu's field is 500 meter. Now, so the distance covered by young old man equal to how many runs he daily takes? 4 rounds. So 4 multiplied by 500, that is 2000 meter. Now we want in answer in kilometer. So meter we will convert into kilometer. So 1 meter equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So we are having 2000 meter. So 2000 upon 1000. So we will get 2 kilometer. So daily it takes 2 kilometer round. Now, Ganpat's wife works in a tailor shop. She has to fix lace around a tablecloth. She bought a 100-meter roll of lace. Look at the picture of the tablecloth and tell how much lace is used for one tablecloth. Now, this is the tablecloth and we have to find out how much lace is used for one tablecloth. So 1 meter equal to 50 centimeter. All here 50 centimeters are there. So first this we will convert into centimeter. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So in 1 meter we will write, in place of 1 meter we will write 100 centimeter for plus 50 centimeter. That means 150 centimeter. So now we will add. So the length of lace required for one tablecloth equal to 150 centimeter plus 50 centimeter plus this also we will write 150 centimeter plus 50 centimeter. So we will get 150 plus 50, 200. 200 plus 150, 350. So 350 plus 50, that is 400 centimeter. So now we have to write it in a meter. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So we are having 400 centimeter. So 400 centimeter equal to 400 upon 100. So we will get 4 meter. Now same page, how much lace will be used in 3 such tablecloths? So one for one table we have find out. Now we have to find out 3 such tablecloths. So what we will do, we know that the requirement of lace for one tablecloth equal to 4 meter. So requirement of lace for 3 tablecloth equal to 4 multiplied by 3. So 4 3 is a 12 meter. How much required? 12 meter. Now next question, how much lace will be left in the roll? So total length of lace is 100 meter. How much she brought? Total 100-meter roll of lace. So how much she used? Requirement of lace for 3 tablecloth, that is 12 meter. So how much left? Lace left out after making 3 tablecloth equal to 100 minus 12, that is 88 meter. Now next page, page number 153. Activity. Find out the length of the boundary of these shapes. Int, you can use a thread. Now count the square to find out. Now we have to count the squares of the shapes. So first find out the length of the boundary of these shapes. So we have to find the boundary of the shape with help of a thread. In order to find the length of the boundary of the shapes given in the figure, so first we have to take a thread. Now place the thread over the figure along boundary. So we have to place the thread according to the shape of the boundary. Second, cut the remaining thread which is necessary to cover exactly the boundary of figure. So how much thread is required to cover the figure, that much we will cut. Measure the length of the thread, then we will measure the length of the thread, how much it required for the boundary of the figure. Then do the same things with all figures. So same things we have to do with all figures. This also first we will place a thread along the boundary of the figure. Then we will cut how much thread is required for that. Then we will measure the thread and we will get the length of the boundary of these shapes. So this way we have to do it same all figure. Now count the squares to find out. First, how many squares are there in each shape? So in each shape, how many squares are there? So number of complete square in figure A. So we have to count a complete square, that is C. In all here half. So one is in figure A, only one square is complete. So we will write A equal to 1. In B, how many squares are there? So that is 1 and 2. So total 2 squares are complete. Then in 3, so that is 3. See 1, 2, 3. So total 3 squares are complete in figure C. Now in D, that is 1 and 2. So number of complete squares in figure D equal to 2. Now next question, which shape covers the least number of square? So which shape has the least number of square? That is figure A is the shape which covers the least number of squares, which is 1. Next question, which shape covers the most number of squares? So that is figure C is the shape which covers the most number of squares, which is 3. Now same page number 2. Take a 20 centimeter long thread, make different shapes by joining the ends. Place on the square sheet on the next page. Find out. So this way square sheet we have to take a 20 centimeter long thread and we have to make a different shapes. Any shapes we can do. Place on the square sheet on the next page. So now questions. How many squares are there in each shapes? So in A, how many squares are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 complete squares are present in figure A. Now in B, how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 complete squares are present in figure B. Now C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 complete squares are present in figure C. Now in D, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, from here 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many squares are totally completed? 4 complete squares are present in figure D. Now next, which is the biggest shape? That is shape figure A. Which is the smallest shape? So the smallest shape is figure B. How long is the boundary of each shape? We can measure the boundary of each shape by placing thread along them. Now next page, page number 154. How many different shapes can you make by joining two squares? Draw them on the square sheet given below. How long is the boundary of each shape? Okay, we have to draw a different shapes by joining two squares. So in how many ways we can draw that? See, first like this way we can draw, then nearby 1 2 with two squares only we have to make a joining shapes. Like this we can do, and here this way and this way. So here four types of shapes can be done by joining two squares. Same page. Now same here we have to try this activity with three squares. So try this activity with three squares also. So now we have to make a three squares shapes. So like this way we can draw first one, then second one, then third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. Here seven types of shapes can be done by joining three squares.